Are we in there? Both of us in there?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Alright, so, yeah, this is going to be a little different video. I want to do a energy experiment, a telekinesis experiment, okay? To just talk about energy and prove that energy is real and, you know, we're not making stuff up. I feel like a broken record just talking about energy and spirituality and meditation this, yoga that. So let's get scientific, shall we? We have a red. There's a plastic cup here and we have a sewing needle and just something shiny and light. I was looking for a gum wrapper. Don't chew gum. Don't have a gum wrapper. Tin foil would work, just anything. So what I'm gonna do is just put this pin right on the top of here and balance the tin foil on top. And we're gonna use our energy to move this, okay? We're gonna use the power of energy, our breath. We're gonna do different energy techniques. I'm gonna do it by myself. Allison's gonna try it. We're gonna try it together and just see what happens. You know, we've never done this before. I just wanna try different experiments to, you know, prove that energy is real. You know, I'm a skeptical person. We all have you know, don't listen to me. Don't, you know, we're just trying things out, all right? So, you ready?
Sure.
Yeah? Okay. There we go. Got a clockwise turn out of it. Let's see if I can go the other way. Yeah. Oh, come on, baby. See, I'm using my mind. Yes. See? Okay, so it's just about having the right angle and the right position. I can feel this. Now let me add some breathing here.
I should like cover up your mouth so you can tell that it's not your breath, but...
Yes. Take, time out. This is just to like to have on the camera in case somebody thinks that
I'm trying to show that on the camera that you can't still breathe through it.
I can though.
Right. So do you want to use something else?
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I guess. Like what, I mean...
This just has holes in it, so you need to put something more solid on. Okay, the scarf didn't work. He's gonna put this thing on over his mouth so that he can't blow the paper. I'm gonna close the window too.
Yeah, that's a lot tighter.
There we go.
Okay.
Eliminate all of the variables. Okay, can you get closer on this though?
Well, I want them to see my face and the thing at the same time. Just so they know.
I just sit behind it, otherwise you can't see it.
There you go. Yeah. Okay, so neutral position. Right here. Let it just not move. As soon as it stops, that's when we'll begin. So you notice everybody has, you know, an aura. Everybody has energy. Okay, the auric field extends 6 inches from the hand. So start there and work your way in, and start with a neutral breath, and then we're gonna breathe all the way up, hold at the top, and then exhale completely, just so you can feel when the energy is inside your body and how it affects objects. Okay. Okay, that's kind of tight, but that's all right. Okay, it's not moving. Here we go. that's better. I think it has to be just right on this, otherwise it doesn't want to work. Got to give it the chance to move. Hold your breath. Let's hold our breath together and try it. Ready? Inhale. Hold. Exhale. See?
It doesn't say it. It says when we hold our breath together.
See the energy when you bring it up.
Yeah.
It's even with two people, it'll move even more.
Yeah.
So I wonder if I try by myself versus you. I wanted to have you in the video though to make sure that it's not just me, you know, editing. I'm not even that good at editing people, so I probably couldn't do this if I tried.
I think you should close up on it too, so you can actually see the movement of the paper more, because I think we can see it more than.
Okay, advanced experiment. We gotta get with it, because yes, we did have some movement. The answer is yes. The only thing is you have to take all the variables out, including your breath. So we got the blindfold, or the mouth fold, we should call it. That worked too. We just have to try a few other things. So I got this glass dome we're gonna put over the top to ensure nothing, no wind from our breath or the window, nothing like that. So I'm gonna take this out of here, get rid of that, and use this little egg carton that I found. So that's going there.
Okay, let's get closer.
I can feel the energy moving my hands. I think this glass might be really far too from the piece. Okay, so I ripped off some pieces here. I put this in a smaller piece because we're gonna have to use this to cover instead of that other thing. It was just too big. I don't think my hands could get actually close enough. So let's get this balanced on top and try again. There we go. Let's do this. Okay. It's like flexing your muscles. You want to flex just like you're lifting weights, and focus your intention on the object, and don't hold any resistance. It's kind of hard to describe. It's like breathing and relaxing and lifting weights, and yet being completely calm at the same time. So I don't know, what did you think of all this?
I don't know, it kind of just makes me want to try more experiments with different materials and different variables.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
I'd be really curious to see if we did like an hour-long meditation, hour-long yoga class, or did something that like really energized you, and then you tried this, to see how different it would be, because I'm sure it would be.
Yeah, all of this stuff matters. Pendulums, getting into crystals, you know, that's why I want to, you know, make videos like this, because trying to get outside of my opinion and just show you guys real scientific data. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. You know, type it in the comments below if you have any questions. If you like the video, make more experimental videos like this. So yeah, thanks for tuning in.